up, guys? It's Grim Plays Minecraft again after a very long hiatus. But it's pretty fun to be back. Actually, I have no idea to play Minecraft anymore. Either way, today we're going to be looking through a couple of tower defense games. And though all of them aren't Minecraft related, they are all related back to my big final project for AI. So the first couple things I do need to note is that there were a few updates to Bucket, Forge, and the Java JVC. So all of those are used to make Minecraft mods and plugins. And all of them have to be on the same version. So when two of them update and one of them doesn't, and one of them doesn't let you go back very easily, kind of breaks everything. So I will be walking through everything today, but not actually showing them how they work for the most part. Some of them work here and there, but anyways, let's start with the first one. So the first one is ran by what Minecraft calls command blocks. Command blocks are these super awesome, cool things that are basically command interpreters for the game console. So, supposed to just jump on this. There we go. So the very first thing I made was a very small, tiny tower defense game. Now this map wasn't made by me. I'm not taking credit, but I did do all the command block stuff underneath. So the game will start, and I can't even get the game to start now. But I think it's because the tutorial is too long. But anyways, you have to place little towers on these little squares. And the overall method for this one was just a simple reflex agent. You know, if you took a couple of lives, if you lost a couple of lives and, you know, weren't doing all that great, the AI would respond by telling you to place down more towers. The issue with this agent was that it didn't understand how to do upgrades to the towers and was very, very glitchy. Game mode. So I can show you these real quick. So there are over 5,000 command blocks that were all chained together, so it used a very interesting skill of what Minecraft calls redstone, which is like circuits, and to know how to do command blocks, which I've known for a while. Actually, most of the AI agent and some of the actual tower defense blocks are missing because of the update, because the commands were removed. When the command isn't validated, it just removes the block. So we can look at a couple of them real quick. And we're back. Okay. Sorry, my laptop is not handling this very well. So command blocks have the same format almost overall. There's always a slash and some kind of command and some kind of things. So each of these handles something different. So that one just handled the air tower that would push a mob up in the air. And this one handled scoreboards. And there's all kinds of them. They're just all over the place. The varying degrees of success that I had was basically the AI agent won twice. And I still couldn't win once, so I guess task accomplished. Okay, so then the second agent that I worked on over the semester was actually building this whole thing from scratch. So the difference between the command blocks and here was that each of the classes could then update the AI agent in the same way that our Pac-Man one got its helper functions, like the doop-a-doop-doop over here. The get score, the get go states, the food grids, and so on and so forth. Here we had to use the .ymls to have the AI agent load and save those files. It could then update what tower was placed in the map and the map grid, get each prices of the towers. It itself could act like a player and get all this information, and yet not be able to play by itself. As a last-ditch effort, because the last code broke about 2 days before the OS program was due, which meant this simple script I made in C++ that would, for a very generic game such as this one I downloaded from this German guy, just tell you a very basic case of how to win the game. Of course, I still haven't won a game with this, but it's a thought that counts. So if we start a game, the first move is always to tell you at the upper slot 1. So if I place a tower here, it's going to go. I already told it I had 10 lives, so I haven't lost any lives. And if you want to keep going for as many times as you want before the round ends, you can. The AI agent kind of flopped thanks to the update issue, but I think overall I learned quite a bit and can put it towards the next update once I get all my build components settled. And as you see here, I have a tower defense. So one side accomplished. So signing off. See you later.